Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURUL AZUANA ROSLAN, and this is my individual assignment for SRT 605 Statistics in Sport and Behavioral Science. First, we take a look question 1. Question 1. Ikuman want to identify any significant difference in mean of cholesterol level between Group A and Group B. Is data for Group A and Group B. For solution, independent variable have two categories, which is Group A and Group B, while the cholesterol level was dependent variable and was in numerical data. For observation, independent was an independent sample, and we are using independent t-test because there are two group and was in different group. So the distribution of data was using test normality, which is Kolmogorov-Smirnov and Shapiro-Wilk. So assumption, cholesterol level dependent variable is numerical data and random sample. Two sample independent of each other. Group A and Group B are independent observation. So next we're going to do key in the data. First, we're going to click variable view, and you can take a look name and just write number 1 group, number 2 cholesterol. For group, decimal is 0. Value, you can click value, then write 1 for Group A, 2 for Group B. After that, you click OK. Then we're going to measure, change to numerical. For cholesterol, decimal is 1, and then value is none, and go to measure, change to scale. And after that, list all the data. Then we're going to take a look test normality. First, click analyze, go descriptive statistic, and click explore. So dependent list change to cholesterol. Factor list go to group. Change to outline, and plot change to histogram and normality plot with test and continue. And then test of normality come out, and see at the Shapiro-Wilk, the significant both group are above 0.05, which is 0.332 and 0.893. This table show not significant, but it has the normal distribution, so that the data is normal due to normal data. So we can continue with independent test. State the hypothesis. First we take a look. Hypothesis: there is not significant in mean of cholesterol level between Group A and Group B, and it's not significant in mean of cholesterol level between Group A and Group B. So next, we're going to do independent test. So first, we're going to click analyze and try and find compare means, and after that, click independent sample t-test. Cholesterol, put a test variable, and group, put on grouping variable. So we can do have question symbol, find group, then group 1 write 1 and group 2 write 2 and click OK. After the result come out, the data show that mean and STD deviation of data. We can see group A is 6.227 and group B is 5.533. So we're going to see that indivisible details is need to reject non-hypothesis or not. In independent sample details, we need to see level tells for P of variance that we can see here. Significant 0.147 is larger than greater 0.005. After that, see the significant to tell result that value for the upper data. Significant to tell data 0.007 less than alpha value 0.0005, so the non-hypothesis is rejected. We move to question 2. Question 2, Iskandar want to compare the changes of scar of the burn patient before and after treatment. Measurement are taken 1 day before and 1 week after treatment. So we're going to look at the data first. Take a look. Solution. Dependent variable is scar area of burn patient. Independent variable is measurement before and after treatment. Observation, we use dependence pair t-test. And distribution of data, we take a look test normality and homograph Smirnov and Shapiro wheel. Using dependent sample because the group are from the same sample where the tests are done. So we are using pair t-test due to same individual test. Assumption, the dependent variable must be numerical data and random sample. All observations are dependent. The observation difference before and after are normally distributed. Take a look. Name and key in underscore treatment and 2 for after underscore treatment and just 2 and 2. After that, measurement is changed to scale. So that after that we're going to do put in the data. After that, to test the pair t-test must do the difference, which is we click transform and compute variable target variable right differences. After that, click OK. And now we can see the differences. For test normality, we going to dependent list differences and statistic outlier and plot histogram plus normality plot with test, and then the result come out. We going to take a look Shapiro wheel, which is 0.123 larger than 0.5. So the result is normal, and we're going to proceed to the pair t-test. So we're going to do pair t-test. So we're going to click analyze, then try find complements and click pair t-test, and they come out variable for variable 1 for before treatment and variable 2 after treatment. Then click OK. So the result is come out here. The result has sample statistic for mean before and after treatment. This is large difference. So based on per sample test or result, we can see significant to tell is 0.00, which is less 0.05. The value less than our alpha, which is 0.05. So automatically the non-hypothesis is rejected.